Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back. If it is your first time here, my name is KiKi Carr and I teach women of color how to get rid of dark spots and acne at home. So if that sounds like something that you may be interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. So today's video is a little bit different. It's all about my hair. I guess it's kind of like a full tutorial because I do have a couple of other hair videos on this channel, but this one is like showing the actual products, showing me using them close up, showing how I pop the curls, basically like a full tutorial of what I do and what I use. And I love this style so much. It's so popular. Everyone always compliments me on it. It's really easy to do. When this style gets old, it's not because the curls are gone or smushed or aren't there anymore. When this style gets old, it's, it starts to flake and it starts to lose the lustrous shine. But yeah, the curls are there to stay. You actually have to wash this style out. So I wanted to come to you with the hair fairly fresh because I do allow it to air dry, so that's why it's still kind of really short and small to my head. As you know, natural hair just gets bigger and more voluminous and fuller the older it gets as time goes on. So I wanted to come on before the hair got too old so that it can mimic, how it looks day one hair, day two hair. But enough talking, and let me just show you how I pop my curls.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. A nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Lean with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Tap down, and if they want some fuck. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with them. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but he still nigga rich. Stick on my, stick on my, stick on. How you want it, nigga? Full of the semi. Looking for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Work the blocks like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. That's the niggas that you trust, tell them how they turn fade. Hey, you know your boy, cause you rockin' her man. Especially if your money long, guarantee it's her. Ray, I tell it all, gotta watch the shirt. Jealousy, that's a bitch, nigga, Drake.
I know that I hurt you.
Yeah.
I was a child trying to be a man.
To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry, Daddy's home. Turn me up. Yeah, niggas know they need to stop. I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like Magic City parking lot. In the talks when I walk by, like you know it's open when you drop. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wop. Y'all niggas not popping. Fuck it, then she going shopping. Well, I'm running out of options. They're running out of options. Put them up for adoption. Sign my name on the top. This is not love, baby. This is no four-leaf, no horseshoe. I'm in the bank to get poor you. I'm in New York on John Chetry. Supermodels and they all sexy. Lock the door to the bathroom, cause they doing something that is not Pepsi. I'm just pouring up the shots. I remember that I told you I missed you. That was kinda like a mass text. I remember that I told you I loved you. That was really in the past tense. I remember that I told you I get you. Truth is that I get around. been having us a kid, 42 hit, I send a kid around. Yeah, on Benedict with the top down. Shorties out here getting knocked down. City coming off a lockdown. Rap niggas doing weak features for a pop artist cause they pop down. Used to wanna throw the rock up. Niggas know how I rock now.
Look at me.
Wait.
Turn away.
Look me in the eyes, Junior. For real.
Trying to find a word to say. Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Yeah.
Okay, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That'll let me know you liked it, and it'll let YouTube know you liked it. If you know someone who can use the skincare advice, be sure to share this channel with them. If you yourself can use the skincare advice, be sure to click the link in the description box to sign up for my VIP weekly newsletter where you will receive exclusive beauty content just like this straight to your inbox. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Mwah!
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fear.